Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, welcome back to the topics which we were covering in the last session to make a personal assistant that can help you remind you to make a call to anybody. So this is all that we have done in the last session. Now I want to expand that further, and in the expansion what feature I want to add in here is that I want to tell my bot that I want to make this reminder which I have already told you. I just want to cancel that part, right? So if in case let me just clarify you with the complete scenario, like what we are going to do in here. So what exactly we are having is, like, I was having a meeting before, but suddenly due to some reasons my meeting got scheduled or my meeting got cancelled. So what I have to do further is, like, I have to just update my bot with the latest updations, right? So in that case what I want to do is, firstly, let's say I will make a reminder with my bot, like I have to make a call to Ashish or anybody, right? So in that case it will work in this way, and suddenly my meeting got postponed or it got cancelled. So I have to tell my bot that please cancel all the meetings whatever we are having. So in that case what your bot will do is, your bot will just cancel everything. So instead of keeping that information in the database and to remind you further, now you have updated your bot and your bot will not remind you further. Instead it will cancel all the meetings and you can talk to the bot in just a normal way. So this is all that we are going to learn in today. So for that, let me just tell you how we can do that. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So here you can see this is a bot which we have made in the last session, where we were actually telling the bot, like, remind me to call Ashish, Rahul or anybody. So this is what we were adding in here. Now I have to add on a feature, as I already said that I have to make the changes to my existing bot that my meeting has been cancelled. So I just want to cancel everything, right? So in that case the simple thing is, like, I have to add on a new story. But as usual, we have already seen in the last session, for this part we are not making any story. Instead we were just triggering the actions, which is a custom action from your actions.py file. So this is all that we are going to do. So for that I have to add on an intent in which I will just tell my bot that I have to cancel the meetings, right? So I already have the intent with me, so just add this part over here, right? So in here you can see it's like ask, forget, reminder. So forget about it, don't remind me, forget about the reminder, do not remind me, or anything. So there are different ways to say the same thing. So that's why I've just added this part, right? So this is how I can just create this part. Now just copy this and take it to the domain, and inside this you have to add this part like this. So as usual, like in the last session also, you have seen that we have just used this trigger over here. Same, we have to do it here also. We also have to add a trigger, but first to know, like, what is that trigger, and that trigger will be created inside your actions file, right? So for that you need to add one action, and that action will be this. Just copy this and just add it over here, right? And in here you can see what I'm doing here is I have a class, and that class name is like forget reminder, and in that the class name is this action underscore forget underscore reminder. So you need to just copy this and add it inside the domain, inside the actions. So just add it like this. Now go back and let's understand what exactly we are doing in here. So in this case we don't have to do anything, we are not doing much stuff over here, right? So this is the same method which we have created in the last session, like the async method. And in this, what exactly we will do is, we will just display the message that I just want to display on the front end side, right? So this is what I will do, like, okay, I will cancel all your reminders. So this is what we are doing in here. But where am I cancelling all the schedules or all the reminders? So that will be cancelled on the behalf of this reminder cancelled, and that will be called from your rasa.co.event. From there you are just calling it like a reminder cancelled. So this is what we are doing in here. So when you will call this like reminder cancelled, so what this will do is, this will just cancel all your schedules, all your reminders that you have already made to your bot. So this is how your bot is going to work. This is how your bot is going to cancel your schedulings when you will say just forget everything, don't remind me or anything. So this is how it is going to work, right? So now you have the name over here, So just copy this, go to the domain file, and like we already did in the last session, we have to add on a trigger. Just add the triggers and just write the name. So if in case the user will say forget everything, don't remind me, then what will happen? This action will be triggered automatically and you don't have to say anything to your bot, because your bot will automatically cancel everything, and further your bot will not remind you for that call which you have made the reminder for, right? So this is all that we are going to do in here, right? So this is all about it. Now you have added this action in here, you have added the intent and action with the trigger, also you have added the intent over here, so that means you have added everything, so nothing is left. So now it's time to just train your model and just check it again, right? So let's just check it. So I'm just writing the same command in the same line, so I can directly write it like this. So just run it, it will train it, and after the training part it will just open the Rasa X for you, right? And also just run the action server, Rasa run action. So this will activate your action server. So your Rasa X is running now. Now we can go ahead and we can just talk to the bot. Just activate the latest environment, or let's say the latest model, and talk to the bot. Alright, so let's talk to the bot. So let's say hi. So the bot will reply you with that. Alright, so it's saying like, hey, how may I assist you? So now what we have to do is we have to first make a scheduling, or let's say we have to first tell your bot that just remind me to make a call, right? So firstly I will tell my bot like this. Let's say remind me to call Ashish, right? So like this, what will happen? It will just say like, okay, I will remind you in 15 seconds, right? So within this 15 second, if I will not say anything, if everything goes right, and I just don't want to cancel any scheduling, so what I will do, I will not do anything, right? So in this case it will work in this way, right? And automatically it will just externally just call this action, saying you that this is a reminder to make a call to Ashish, right? So this is how it will work. But now let's check it again. Now I don't want to, let's say I don't want to make a call in future, I just want to cancel the scheduling. So in that case, how I'm going to work it? So I will say remind me to call in this. So let's say forget about it. So now what will happen? It will say okay, I will cancel all your reminders. So when it will say okay, I will cancel all your reminders, that means now it is not going to call this external reminder which you have mentioned for this reminder part. So as you can see now, it's almost 15 seconds over, and even it's more than 15 seconds, but still it is not calling this external reminder which I have just set in here, right? So this is how I can do it, right? So this is the way how you can just cancel your schedulings if in case you have a changes in your meetings or in your calls or anything, right? So in that case you can make your schedulings like this. So this is all about this, and now you must be thinking that this is like reminder cancel for cancelling all the reminders. So if in case I don't want to cancel everything, I just want to cancel a single request or like that, so in that case what I can do, so in that case if you will open this bracket, you will see that you will be having an option, the first argument, that is name. So this name is optional by default, because if in case you will not set the name, then it will automatically cancel all the requests, all the reminders. But if in case you want to cancel any particular reminder or any single reminder, so in that case you can specify the name, and this name is coming from here. So you can see, while making a reminder, what you have done is you have just created an object with respect to this reminder schedule, and inside that you have this name, my underscore reminder. So this was the name that you have specified in here, and you have to mention this name in here, so that accordingly it will cancel only that reminder, not all the reminders. So this is the way how you can just cancel a single reminder as well, right? So this is all about your cancelling of your reminders, whatever you have made, and I hope everything is clear to you. But still, if you are not getting anything and you're facing any difficulties in getting the output or understanding this topic, then you can definitely leave a comment below in the comment section. And also, if you have liked this video, then do click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do click on the subscribe button. And also you can press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any updates from my channel. So till then, bye bye and happy learning.